Hi teams, we're going to set up Bluetooth communication. Your controller needs to speak to the warehouse, and that's done through a Bluetooth connection. One of the first steps to set up the communication is to disconnect any prior Bluetooth connection to some other controller. Another team may already have a Bluetooth connection, and we want to clear out all those communications that may prevent you from connecting to the warehouse. So go to the warehouse controller, turn it off, then turn it back on. That clears out any previous Bluetooth communications, and now you're ready to set up a connection. So first thing to do is to simply go to My Files, go to Bluetooth, My Contacts, Warehouse, Connect, Port 1, Hourglass connecting. Alright, your controller is now connected to the warehouse. You can begin testing your programs. That's all you need to do. If you want to just check your connections at any time, you can see that you're connected to port 1, and that was through connections. And if for some reason in your My Contacts, if you don't see the warehouse, you would have to go into this search, and from that menu you would find the warehouse and then connect to it. And when you're searching and finding connections to new devices, you may have to enter a passcode, and by default it's 1234, and all you have to do is just enter on both controllers. But hopefully you don't have to do that, and this stuff is very basic, so I expect you guys to be able to figure it out. So connecting to the Bluetooth warehouse, this is the process of doing it. That's simple.